Of everything, looking at a LED accessory light. Well, I've got one installed and it's like 105 degrees out, so I'm taking a break. This has everything that you need except a bracket. There's no bracket in there. That was a bit of a letdown, but we got around it. It's 12 in and ground, and you're good to go. Simple enough. Let's get your tools on it. Yep, back out in the heat. Nice bright little lights.